it is now 2025. TikTok Shop Affiliate continues to be the biggest opportunity to make money on TikTok. I myself have made nearly $3,000 over the last couple of months. 3 things that I believe as a start you should focus on in 2025. I would encourage you as well to watch all the way up until the end, because the third suggestion that I'm going to give is one that is a bit of a surprise. And yes, before anyone says in the comments, I'm aware that TikTok is having a bit of a difficult time in the United States at the moment. The future is uncertain, but there are still opportunities while things are still in the air, and there is still an opportunity here in the United Kingdom where I am, as well as wherever else you have got TikTok Shop Affiliate. So the first thing that I want to discuss is having the right tools. In fact, it's what helped me make as much money as I did in part over the last couple of months. As you can see here, I've got a tool named Shoplus. I've linked it in the description if you want to check it out. The beauty of having an analysis tool like this, it gets you far ahead of the curve. You can see data in terms of what's selling on TikTok Shop for what country. The United States, for example, you can choose the United Kingdom, there's Indonesia, and a bunch of others. But this puts you a step ahead because you're not just going by the information that is natively available within the TikTok app that everyone can see. You're not just going by what TikTok wants you to see. You are going by who's making, how much, who's selling, how many units, what creators are saying in videos. All of that information is available right here. So you could spend hours trolling through TikTok Shop, trolling through the product marketplace, going through a bunch of different videos, or you could use a tool like this which takes you directly to that information. I think they've got a free trial for a certain amount of time if you want to just test it out and see if it's something that you feel like you can use. You can download video scripts from videos that are doing well. For example, here's a creator here. Right next to the video that she created to promote these sunglasses, you've got an option to download the video. You've got an option to export the script, so what she actually says in the video, in order to convert this many people. It doesn't really matter how small or how big your account is, as long as you've got the minimum amount of followers to qualify. You could be making more money than someone that has 1 million followers, even if you've only got 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 followers. If you follow the right steps, you could end up making a ton of money as well, if you follow the right steps. The second thing is getting products quickly. A bunch of different things you can do on this tool, but one of them is product research. Researching proven products that are highly likely to sell. Now, I have a video, and that will be in the description somewhere, where I go in depth in terms of product research as quickly as possible. Find out what products are selling the most, or the likely to trend upwards and start generating more and more sales. And then of course, you want to get the product as quickly as possible, because the quicker you get the product in your hand, if you don't already have it, the quicker you can create the video and the quicker you can start seeing those commissions. I've done a bunch of videos on TikTok. Now that I've got this in my hand, I could literally create a video promoting this wireless charger. Within about 10 minutes, the video is published on TikTok and it's pretty much ready to make me money. And the crazy thing is, because TikTok Shop Affiliate is about making affiliate commission, even if you get 200 views, you're not panicking, because every view is a potential sale of the product that you're talking about. So while people are aiming to get hundreds of thousands of views on the Creator Rewards program, all you're aiming for is just to make as many sales as possible. Whether you've got 50 views, whether you've got 100 views, or whether you've got 1,000 views, every view is a potential sale of the product that you are promoting. Now, I do go in depth on my other videos in terms of how to go about getting these products quickly. There's many different ways you can get the product that you want to promote in your hands, but one of the best ways out there is via Amazon. Because if you order on Amazon and you've got next day delivery, you could literally have the product in your hand, maybe the same day if you've got same day delivery available, or you get the product the next day. And by the time your competitor, for example, another creator is waiting for their product to be sent to them by the shop that they've purchased it from on TikTok, you've already created 10 videos on that product. The quicker you are off the mark, the quicker you are likely to start generating money. So that's another thing that I would focus on. Now, again, if you are finding value from this video, do make sure that, again, you drop me a like. Any questions that you have, any suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments. And again, resources will be linked in the description. Now, this is something that I thought I would never really promote on this channel, but I would focus on in 2025 if I was serious about becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate and making as much money as possible, is targeting ads as well. Now, hold on a minute. I'm not asking you to go and pay for ads. Don't worry. I'm not asking you to pay anything more out of your pockets. Now, what I'm saying is the content that you are creating promoting the product. This is linked to a shop, right? So you've got shop A that sells these. You're promoting the products, and every time shop A makes a sale, you get paid a commission. One of the most lucrative ways to make money currently with it from TikTok Shop is via ads. Now, if I go back here onto Shoplus on the homepage, Shoplus actually lets us know which creators are generating money via this method. I've gone on to top sales here, and you'll notice that some of these actually in the wrong place. I'm going to go to product videos. There we go. So you can see the creators that are trending as doing well today on Shoplus. You can view the last 3 days, you can view the last week, but I digress. Some of these you'll notice have ad next to them, and some of the top ones tend to have the ad sticker. What this means is the shop has decided that they like your video so much, they are spending money out of their pockets to promote the video. Now, it gets crazier because even though they're spending ad money from their own pockets to promote that video, the commissions that you make are still gonna go into your pockets. The shop makes the sale, they ship it, whatever, they worry about all that side of it, but you're still gonna get the commission that you're due to get. So if commission is 20% and the shop decides to spend, 10,000 on ads to show that video to as many people as possible, you're still benefiting from that. The shop is not saying, okay, I'm spending more money, therefore I'm going to take more money from you. That's another thing that just, I feel like, reinforces that this is a crazy opportunity on TikTok Shop Affiliate, and this is why you're going to see more and more people getting into this now. Again, especially because things are up in the air in terms of the USA and what's happening in the political space, as well as the uncertainty of whether TikTok is going to continue to be available there or not. You're going to see more and more people diving in to just try and make the most of it while it's still available. So the way that you can target ads with your content is, one, make sure that you make the best content that you can. Don't take too long creating these videos. I'm not saying spend 2 hours editing a video. Just try and create the best you can in that moment in time, which it can take 10 minutes. Some of these videos aren't even edited. It's just someone talking to a phone. Just as long as you create the best that you can with what you have at that time. Once the video starts to pick up just a tiny bit of traction from TikTok, and you're getting those responses, you're getting those comments and whatever, and likes and whatever, and you're getting those views as well, more importantly, you can message the shop and say, oh, I've done this video promoting your product. It seems to be picking up. It seems to be performing better than my other videos. Have you got an ad budget? Would you like to push this using ads? Don't be forceful. Don't, be matter-of-factly about it. Just let them know. Say, look, by the way, this video's out. If you'd like to push it a little bit more, you can. If the shop has got ad spend, they'll do it. And if they do, you're going to get paid more because the video is going to be in front of more people. And in fact, that is the video that performed the most for me as an affiliate, where I made close to $3,000 just on that one video. So don't be afraid to contact shops. You're just the affiliate. The shop owner can decide whether to do that or not. But I'm just saying to keep that in mind going forward, because it's a huge opportunity. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I would say. Again, if you completely confused by all of this TikTok Shop affiliate stuff and you like to get yourself acquainted with it, I've got a free course that I will have linked in the description. Any questions you have directly from me, feel free to just contact me directly as well. I've got a link in the description.